Let us solve the question over here. JEE Maths 2025 trigonometry. Question is like this. This is the question. Summation r is equal to 1 to 13 within bracket 1 upon sine of pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 into sine of pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 bracket closed equal to a root 3 plus b. AB belongs to z, that is the integers. A square plus b square you have to find. These are the options. Choose from. So let us see the given expression I have written. Now this expression I will just add multiply by sine by 6 in the denominator as well as in the numerator. So sine pi by 6 remaining will be same. Sine pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6. Now pi by 4 plus r pi by 6. Now you will see how I have decided like this. I have decided this as the logic behind this is that whenever you see in the denominator product of two trigonometric ratios, you just try to reduce, and summation sign is there, you just try to reduce it in the form of something like this 1 by x minus 1 by y format. For that, here there should be either sine of a minus b or cos of a minus b formula you have to set in the numerator. For that I have this, just this is a constant term. Sine pi by 6 means what? Sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 is a constant, so there is no effect with this summation sign, isn't it? So if you have multiplied over here in the numerator by sine pi by 6, you have to divide also. So I have done this. Now sine pi by 6 means 1 by 2 and summation r is equal to 1 to 13. Here I will do little more modification. This is as this sine pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 minus pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6. So this way we have written the sine pi by 6 as pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 minus pi by 4 plus r minus 1 into pi by 6, which on simplification will give you sine pi by 6. So sine pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 into sine pi by 4 plus r pi by 6. Can you see this? Pi by 4 minus pi by 4 will get cancelled, plus r pi by 6 and minus r pi by 6 gets cancelled. Then you will be left with minus plus into pi by 6. Okay. Now I can use the formula of sine of a minus b. Okay. That is sine a cos b cos a sine b. And this 1 by half will give you twice. Summation r is equal to 1 to 13. And here I will write sine of a means pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 into cos of b pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 minus cos of a pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 into sine of b pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 bracket closed, and the second bracket also closed, and denominator is sine pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 into sine pi by 4 plus r pi by 6. So when you split the denominator, you will get r is equal to 1 to 13 summation, and first time you will get sine of pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 into cos pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 divided by sine pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 into sine pi by 4 plus r pi by 6, and then a minus sign again, cos pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 into sine pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6, and this also divided by sine pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 into sine pi by 4 plus r pi by 6, and everything in second bracket. So by this will be cancelled from the first term. You will be left with cos of pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 upon sine of pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 means cot theta. Cot of pi by 4 plus r minus pi by 6 you will be left with, and in the second term this will be cancelled. So you are left with cos of pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 upon sine pi by 4 plus r pi by 6, that is cot pi by 4 plus r pi by 6. So now we are almost near the solution. So this will give you cot pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 minus cot pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 bracket closed. Now we will do the summation. So we put first r is equal to 1, then we will get cot pi by 4 only, because 1 minus 1 0, 0 into pi by 6 is 0, and minus cot of pi by 4 plus pi by 6, r is 1, so 4 and 6 LCM is 12, and 4 3 ja 6 2 ja, so 5 pi by 12. In the next term, when r is 2, this will give you cot of pi by 4 plus 2 minus 1 pi by 6. So again LCM is 12, so I can write it directly that this will also be 5 pi by 12 minus cot, when you 2, so 2 3 are cancelled, so cot 7 pi by 12 you will get, and similarly plus dash 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 plus at last you will get cot pi by 4 plus 13 minus 112, so 2 pi, and minus cot pi by 4 plus 13 pi by 6 means 4 3 ja and 6 2 ja 13 26 plus 3 29 pi by 12 you will get here. So in this way you will see that these terms are getting cancelled. This will be also cancelled by the previous term. Okay, so you will be left with only twice of cot pi by 4 means 1 minus cot 29 pi by 4. I can write it as 24 pi plus 5 pi by 12, and this will give you 1 minus cot 2 pi plus 5 pi by 12. 2 pi plus theta cot is again cot theta, so 2 1 minus cot 5 pi by 12. Now pi is 180. So 1 minus cot 12 180. 12 1 ja, 12 5 ja, 15 5 ja, 75 degree you will get. 75 you can write twice of 1 minus cot 45 degree plus 30 degree, and you can solve it like 1 minus 1 by tan of 45 degree plus 30 degree, and you use the formula is equal to twice 1 minus 1 upon tan of a plus b means tan 45 degree plus tan 30 degree, and this divided by 1 minus tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree, isn't it? Bracket closed. So in the next step you will get twice 1 minus, this will go to the numerator, so 1 minus tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and in the denominator 1 plus 1 by root 3. So when you will solve this one, twice of 1 minus root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So rationalize it, twice of 1 minus root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1, root 3 minus 1. So after rationalization you will get twice of 1 minus root 3 minus 1 whole square. So it will give you root 3 square plus 1 minus 2 root 3, isn't it? Divided by root 3 square minus 1 square. So sorry for that. Twice of 1 minus 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So you will get twice of 1 minus 2 minus root 3. So in this way you will get twice of 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus root 3. So you are getting minus 2 plus 2 root 3. And in the expression it was given as a root 3 plus b. So on comparison with a root 3 plus b, a is 2 and b is minus 2. So integers, therefore a square plus b square is 2 square plus minus 2 square, that is 4 plus 4 is 8. So which option is correct? Option 8. Solution is looking like big, but it is not so. I have done it to explain you so many things. So option C correct. Okay, C once again, yes. So thank you.